Green tea diet plan? Eating and dieting these days usually does not include your favorite drinks like green tea and coffee. But it is not necessarily always the case. With a little planning and a lot of discipline, your diet plan and weight loss regimen can include your morning coffee or green tea. South Beach Diet Plan. The South Beach Diet Plan is an idea devised by Dr. Agatsson to be neither low-carb nor low-fat. According to its promoter, the South Beach Diet Plan teaches you to rely on the right carbs and the right fats. This diet plan includes 3 phases: eliminating your cravings, reintroducing carbs, and a diet for life. Using artificial sweetener and low-fat milk in your coffee or green tea during all 3 phases is one way to lose weight without leaving your brewed cup. Going decaffeinated with your coffee may also be a good idea, as this diet aims to maintain insulin levels as well. If you are a green tea drinker, then worries are less for you. Green tea contains a very small amount of caffeine. Zone Diet Plan. The Zone Diet Plan was developed by Barry Sears, a former biotechnology researcher at the Massachusetts Institute of Technology. This diet plan is based on the maintenance and stability of insulin levels. Because this diet plan itself also deals with insulin control, the problems that arise are handled in the same way as the South Beach Diet Plan. It is okay to have decaffeinated coffee and green tea as long as these beverages do not increase your insulin. The eating schedule of the Zone Diet Plan requires you to use artificial sweeteners and low-fat milk in your coffee or green tea. Blood Type Diet Plan. A blood type diet plan is a diet for weight loss where the food you eat is based on your blood group. The eating schedule of Blood Type Diet Plan is more restricted as compared to the South Beach Diet Plan, Zone Diet Plan, and Atkins Diet Plan. For example, coffee is highly recommended for people with blood groups A and AB. But for people with blood group O, the inclusion of coffee in the blood group diet plan should be avoided. Green tea, on the other hand, is acceptable for any blood group. However, the inclusion of natural sweeteners like sugar, honey, stevia or maple syrup in green tea should be avoided in this diet plan. Sugar Buster Diet Plan. The name of the diet plan itself tells everything. The members of this diet plan are highly cautioned against sugar. Coffee and green tea are perfectly fine, but only use artificial sweeteners. Another low-carb diet plan variety, the Atkins Diet Plan, works best with caffeine-free coffee and green tea. For best results, artificial sweeteners in your green tea and coffee are recommended to keep your carbs low. Paleolithic Diet Plan. Also called the Stone Age Diet Plan, this diet plan is based on the consumption of simple, unprocessed foods that our Neanderthal ancestors would have eaten. This diet plan is perfect for green tea drinkers. Green tea is simple and 100% natural steam-dried leaves from the Camellia sinensis plant. If you are a coffee drinker, you may be in for a tough choice, as you may have to give up coffee completely with this diet plan. The sugar in green tea is still a big no-no, especially the refined kind. As you can see, there are plenty of options available to help you with your diet plan, and enjoying the benefits of green tea is a good place to start.